Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, it's Christmas in July. I've got a house full of people. Hi guys. Hi, Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. We've just served up some Christmas lunch and we're gonna eat it, but I just wanted to show you guys before we eat it. So we got Cookie. Oh, Coco. What are you doing? Oh my God. She's scared. So we got potato bake, we got roast, we got veggies, we got some chicken here, and then we had like a little platter here that we had beforehand, and there's Jacob's salami that he loves to wipe down. I set up the table of like all Christmassy because I had all the stuff, so I'm just like, oh, I'll get it all out. So I'll set it all up and set up the tree. I got to put a star on top. Whoopsies. Cokie, Merry Christmas.
She doesn't like me. She like ran away.
Oh really? Look at your slippers, Shanae. Lovely.
Gucci slide.
Oh, okay, so we've eaten, and I'm sorry I've got this like weird voice on. We're gonna do the KK. So we're doing an Irish KK. The first person that gets pulled out of the, well, I've got a jug with names in them. They get to pick their first present, and then the next person, they can either steal the first person's present, or they can pick a new one, and so forth. The last person picked gets the best present. So we have all the presents wrapped up here. This is so awkward. And then we've got everyone there. Yeah. In their ugly Christmas jumpers. Oh, you guys look so cute. Oh my God. Look at her. She's loving it. She's just like, oh, in her element.
We've bonded.
Sis.
No, my cat bites me all the time. I'm used to it.
Okay. Okay, so I'm going to pick the first name.
It'll be, me.
Which present are you going to pick?
Feel free to take Coco.
Jacob, make a wise decision. He only gets one choice. He only gets one choice. He only gets one choice.
Alan, is
This is everything.
What is it?
It's a fucking Nerf gun.
Oh!
But I'm wrapped. I'm keeping this. No, I'm going to steal this
You
off
can't swap it anyway.
Good.
Okay,
Next day, choose your behavior. Oh, it's me.
Ah, fuck
I don't want to. Do I go next?
Yes, obviously.
Obviously.
Nah, put your name back in.
Come on, JJ.
Alright. I'll go for number one.
Ooh.
Oh.
I'm taking the Nerf gun. Alright.
Me. Oh, I don't like that.
Yeah.
That's amazing. Okay, cute. Okay, we'll have to play that out.
What do you?
Yeah, God.
We have Tanya! Tanya Do you even know?
Just
Do you
along the
even
bowl.
know? What is that?
Oh no.
Oh, Nikki's gonna steal that shit.
That was my background.
What's it say?
Oh my God.
A matching stubby holder.
Merry Christmas, bitch.
I love it.
That's so funny.
And a stubby holder. Just the rolls.
I love
Oh my God.
Okay, we have Ed next.
Whoa! Gone old red.
Bluetooth speaker.
Oh, it's full of random shit.
Oh.
I'm assuming Nikia got that one.
Luca can drink out of that.
Oh, I want that. Do you want some?
Oh! Just these.
What you doing, mate?
So, Nakia, do you steal or do you keep?
I kind of want the mug.
Jason, steal! Oh, sis! Go for
It's a steal.
It's a steal.
Yes, bitch. Thank you.
What are you doing? Put names back in there.
Shanae! I'll probably come to the mug. Do you want me to do it again? Do you want me to pretend like I got your name again? No, it's fine. Whatever, I'm gonna pick this one.
It's a mobile phone window mount.
Oh!
This is for the car.
Oh, baby, look at the car!
I've been wanting to get one. Portable speaker with projector light.
Oh!
Coco's interested. AUX cable.
Look at Cokie, like,
It's
getting in on it.
1001 cool gross jokes.
Read us
Read it.
one. Read us one. Yeah, you have to.
This is so lame. Why don't cats shave?
Why?
Because they prefer whiskers. I don't even know. Fennels.
Oh.
She's gonna come for the
What are you doing, man?
I'm gonna steal the mug. Why not?
How could you not? It's too much. It's
I can let it mount some other time. I can't buy a mug.
Wait,
Oh, Jared, do you take the mug on? You might come for the mug.
He's gonna take it to work.
I think it's just a thing to do, isn't it? Take the mug.
Yeah, take the mug. Alright, you ready? Who's up next? 3, 1, 2.
Rightio, mate, you're up.
Alright, what are you gonna pick?
Gonna go the mini slam basketball. Where are we gonna bolt this? Which wall are we putting this on?
I don't know, maybe you should take the mug.
Oh, that's pretty good.
Oh.
Sinead, the mug's pretty good. Oh!
I'm taking the mug.
Yeah!
Stubby holder, so why wouldn't I?
Well, we need to appreciate the time that we have with it.
Blackmail him.
Yeah. At last, but not least, we have Jared, who was the last one to come to the party today, by the way.
Which one are you gonna choose?
Oh, yeah.
Get it!
see you, sis.
Oh.
Whoa!
Oh, pressure.
Shandon.
Now what's he gonna do?
What are you gonna do?
Which one are you gonna steal?
What are you gonna do?
Are you gonna steal?
I think
Are you gonna be on Sinead's good?
shits and gigs. I think I'm going to take the mug.
Oh, that's handy.
It's okay, because it's going to drink it
You
anyway.
got your mugs back, hun.
So that is it for the Irish KK. That was so much fun. Okay, so we've got
Don't like chocolate
we've got
mousse. Fucking amazing.
Really?
we've got oh, Jacob made the chocolate mousse, and then we've got the keto cheesecake, but it didn't work out, so that's why it looks like shit. Okay, we are playing What Do You Meme? We have, when that focuses, we have the cards set up over there, and everyone's got their cards now.
Crystal?
A theme song. You go. Come on.
Jared knows it.
After each trip,
What-
just get a new one, so you always
Oh my god, these are priceless.
Dean, go for it.
I don't know.
You do. It's Justin Bieber.
You're Justin Bieber.
What do you mean?
That's
Oh my god, I see that all the time. But not today.
Should we film the first one? Yeah, we need to pick.
We need a new one.
Please and thank you so much.
Oh! Now that's me at 18. Okay.
This is so funny.
I changed
Oh,
mine.
Crystal!
not that.
She's great.
You're right,
It's
no.
probably a little bit.
It's not that
Crystal's so saved that one.
When you get a picture with your favorite celebrity, but you look too ugly to post it.
Me.
bad. Just
Oh, it's a good one.
When he finally finds the clip after 25 minutes.
That is brilliant. These are so good. That's exactly how you feel too.
Put this one down. When your best friend fucks your sibling.
like Your grandma goes up there.
When your hairdresser spins you around to reveal they've ruined your fucking life.
Can relate.
When someone uses your driveway to turn around, that's Dean for sure.
No, that's not.
I park in the driveway.
When your grandma sneaks 40 into your pocket on your way out the door,
640.
dollars.
I wouldn't be mad at that.
I'd be happy.
When you're ordering a pizza and your broke friend screams, get wings too.
Yeah.
Two, it's either that one or that one.
So when your best friend fucks your sibling, or when he finally finds the clit after 25 minutes.
This one.
Literally.
I feel like we're gonna find out so much more about you.
That was my throwaway card.
That's why you were like, I want to see what Oh, it was a good one though.
Fuck.
So I won the first one.
Okay.
That was very surprising. That was a throwaway card. I've got a really funny one up my sleeve. But anyway, this is fun. This is so much fun. Okay, we just played the game and it was so much fun. It's actually really, really good.
It was so funny, honestly.
Don't throw out the stuff before the joke.
If you guys have a group of friends and you're like you want a board game, what do you mean is like bomb. It was
Really
so
good.
funny.
Yeah.
Is that, was this a sponsored video? Or?
Sponsor us.
Dean, what do you take? Jacob made this mousse and Dean loves it.
I'm
Apparently.
not gonna eat all that one. Are you gonna have some more? Or you can't?
I can't have any.
Yeah. That was yours.
Just wipe it off on there, hun.
I got that covered.
Literally just said, does anyone know how to do that flossy dance? And Nakia's just like,
No, yeah, wait.
Nakia, go for it.
I think they want to snap it. I need to give her expression.
I'm so full of expression.
Go, ready? Go.
Oh my god, hun! Coco's sitting there like, what? Me. Okay, everyone's going, so we'll say, bye everyone! Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas.
Thank you for visiting.
What is it? Oh, I
Gotcha!
didn't.
Conte's gonna say it right here. Gotcha!